Facebook users no longer have to be either male or female. And no, I'm not talking about Facebook for Pets because Mark Zuckerberg's adorable dog Beast already has his own profile anyway. Hi, I'm Kristen of Stuff Mom Never Told You, and today for DNews. Facebook has added more than 50 new gender designations because guess what? There's a good chance that not all of its 159 million American users who were the first to see these gender updates identify as either male or female. For instance, according to UCLA's Williams Institute, around 0.3% of the US adult population, or roughly 700,000 people, are transgender. So in addition to a variety of new trans options, including trans man, trans woman, and trans person, Facebook now also includes intersex, gender fluid, pangender, and more. Now, for those of you wondering just how many genders exist, it's useful to understand the differences between gender and biological sex. Whereas male-female sex is biologically determined via chromosomes, hormones, and DNA, masculine-feminine gender is socially constructed, hence the possibility for more than 50 categories which Facebook has identified, which could theoretically be expanded even further. Now, the site has also updated its pronoun settings, allowing people to refer to themselves with neutral pronouns rather than just him or her. But as always, users can still opt to keep their gender designation private. Now, these changes were implemented after the social media site consulted with a number of LGBTQ organizations, and this comes at a time when transgender recognition is becoming a prominent human rights issue. Google+, for instance, also allows its users to select male, female, or other, and a growing number of countries, including Australia, New Zealand, and Germany, offer more than just male or female designations on birth certificates and citizenship documents. And although this might seem like an unnecessary update to some, speaking to the Associated Press, transgender Facebook software engineer Brielle Harrison says there's going to be a lot of people for whom this is going to mean nothing, but for the few that it does impact, it means the world. So what do you think about these Facebook updates? Comment below, and you can also find my channel at youtube.com/StuffMomNeverToldYou.